Kumoh National Institute of Technology is a well-reputed engineering university not only in Korea but also in the world. I sent email to my professor and he showed interest on me. When I go outside, if someone asks me where I am studying, and I replied that Kumoh 공대에서 공부하고 있어요. They just surprised. 오, 똑똑한 학생. 오, 공부 잘해. Tuition fee is very much comfortable for any international students. Besides this, you can get many scholarships from university or professor funds for doing research project. Living expense. This is very much cheaper in this city comparatively to any other city in Korea. Professors are so much cooperative and friendly. Many opportunities inside and outside for part-time job.
Hello everyone, my name is Anafi. I'm from Indonesia and I'm working in Energy Electrochemistry Laboratory.
I'm from Vietnam. I'm studying Master of Environmental Engineering and I love KIT.
And I'm from Ghana. I am studying for my PhD in the Environmental Engineering Department. This is our lab. As you can see, KIT is very equipped for all your lab needs. Make sure you pick KIT any day. Thank you.
학교가 저에게 좋은 영향을 주었고 미래로 향하는 데 있어 좋은 길잡이가 되어 주었습니다.
바이오매스 선수가 때 그걸 이제 선수가 없는 조건에서
금홍대는 정말 공대로서 대한민국에서 끝없는 학교이면서 많은 걸 배울 수 있고 교수님들도 좋아서 모두 좋아서 같이 공부했으면 좋겠습니다.
저희 학교에 와서 제 미래에 대한 확신을 더욱 가지게 되었습니다.
Beyond all, KIT is a world-class platform. Here you can fulfill your dream.
금호공대 환경공학과에는 저말과 같은 훌륭한 대학원생이 많습니다. 많이 놀러와 주세요.
Together tomorrow.